Hello dear students, let's consider a problem in which one slit of a double slit experiment is covered by a thin glass plate of refractive index 1.4 and other by a thin glass plate of refractive index 1.7. The point on the screen where central bright fringe was formed before the introduction of the glass sheets is now occupied by fifth bright fringe. Assuming that both the glass plates have same thickness and wavelength of light used is 4800 angstrom, find their thickness. So in this case, as you can see, that slab is placed in front of both of the slabs. So due to 1.4 slab, shift would have been upwards, and due to other slab of refractive index 1.7, shift would have been downwards, as we know that hole pattern shifts where slab is placed. Now because refractive index of lower slit is more, so in this case we can say that effectively hole pattern will shift downwards because refractive index of lower plate is more. So here hole pattern shifts downward. This is first result that we can conclude. Now you can see what is given in this problem is that central bright fringe was formed before the introduction of the sheet is now occupied by the fifth bright fringe. So initially fifth bright fringe was somewhere here, and when pattern shifts downward, this fifth fringe comes to point O. So now we can see that at O, optical path difference should be equal to 5 into lambda, because fifth maxima is formed at O, so optical path difference should be equal to 5 lambda. So what we will do is we will calculate optical path difference at O. Now optical path difference at O, how can you consider it? Optical path difference at O, this will be equal to S2O minus T plus 1.7 into T plus mu into T. S2O minus T distance is travelled in air and T is travelled in medium. And how do we calculate optical path length? By multiplying length with refractive index of medium. So optical path difference at O is S2O minus T plus 1.7 T minus S1O minus T plus 1.4 T, and this should be equal to 5 into lambda in air, because we have considered optical path difference, so lambda will be considered in air. On solving this, we get S2O minus S1O, T will get cancelled out. So S2O minus S1O plus 0.3 into T equal to 5 into lambda in air, that is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, 4800 angstrom. So this is 4.8 into 10 power minus 7 meter. As you can see that S2O minus S1O is 0. This is by geometry we can say that S1O and S2O both are equal. So S2O minus S1O is 0. So T comes out to be 5 into 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 0.3. So this comes out to be 8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So this is 3, 1 and 6. This comes out to be 16 into 5, 80. 80 into 10 power minus 7 is 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. or you can say 8 micron. So thickness of slab is 8 micron. That is our answer. You can see this is so thin. We say thin slab. You can see the thickness of this. This is of the order of micron. So this is how we can calculate thickness of slab. Simple problem, simple concept. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Enjoy your day.